Good morning. Today is August 28th. The time right now in Singapore is 8 minutes past 11. And today is the first day of a new week and the last week of this month. And on Friday, we have some big news. We were waiting for the Fed Chairman Powell to actually give a speech, and did he not disappoint? And now, of course, this is on the background of the Jackson Hole Symposium, which is an annual event in which central bankers, especially those from G7, gather to talk about monetary policies. And the Fed chairman came out swinging and basically is telling us that do not expect the dollar to come down anytime soon. He's talking about interest rates. He believes the interest rate needs to stay higher for longer, and there is no talk of a pause. So basically what we're going to see is that the market, as far as interest rate is concerned, is going to stay elevated for the rest of this year and perhaps even higher. So this is underpinning the dollar, as you can see in the dollar index futures chart in front of you. Now the dollar actually went up to 104.38 on Friday before it eased off somewhat, but basically the market is very, very firm, and this is confirmed by the rising channel in the purple area that you can see in front of you. The dollar basically has actually found a bottom somewhere on the 17th, and he has been going up since then. And immediately the June high is 104.615, and I believe this level will be taken out sooner rather than later. And I have a probable target, and the target is based on what happens last September, and that is 105.50 to 105.87. Now remember, this equivalent rate that we saw in last September is also where the dollar yen high was, and that also prompted a Bank of Japan intervention in which the dollar got sold off against the yen. So this is the something that you have to consider when we continue to stay long in the dollar. Say buying dollar is not wrong, but whether it is going to be worth our while to continue to buy dollar rates above 104 levels is a question that you have to ask yourself. Now, I would like to buy dollar somewhere a lot lower. Not sure whether it will come this round. My level is 101.19 to 101.80. Of course, this assuming the high remains at 104.38, although this is a little bit unrealistic, but basically I do not want to buy at current level. I would love to see a 50% pullback from whatever high the dollar rate is before I attempt to buy. So this is my 2 cents worth, and do watch out for further dollar firmness going into the balance of this week. Bye-bye. Take care.